back to Kayleigh's Crafts. Today we're going to be learning how to make a fingerprint tree. So to do this you're only going to need two things. The first thing, our tree template. If you can't download our tree template, you can make your own as long as it's an empty tree and it's just the trunk and the branches. And secondly, you're going to need some paint. Have a think about the kind of colours you'd like on your tree. Think yellows and oranges for autumn and greens for spring and summer. You could even go for pink and go for a cherry blossom tree. We're going to go for a multicoloured rainbow tree. What you need to do is take something flat like a plate or a saucer and pour your paint on there, like we've done here. Next you want to take your tree picture, and this is the fun but very messy part. You want to take one finger, dip it in your paint and slowly press it down onto your tree. You may even decide you want a few leaves on the ground as well, so you can just dab your finger at the base of your tree. So repeat this process until your tree is full of leaves, and when you've finished you're going to have something that looks a little bit like this. And there you go, it's as simple as that. Thank you for tuning into today's episode. If you did follow along at home and make your own fingerprint tree, please do share it with us on social media, tagging Creative Eye and Norden Farm Centre for the Arts using that hashtag Kayleigh's Crafts. Stay crafty and we'll see you next time.